Good morning, students. Welcome back to the art class. I'm going to teach you how to draw a cat today. And along with this cat, if you want to learn how to draw a kitten too, I can do that as well for you. So let's begin. To draw a cat, a very cute cat, all that you have to do is first draw one circle for the face. Then draw two triangles for the ears on top of her head like this. We'll draw a little big so that it looks nice. Fine. Now when this is done, let's draw eyes for her. To make the eyes, we will make two small circles, an inverted triangle for the nose, and two U's like this to make her mouth. Another U to show that her mouth is open. Let's draw whiskers. Done. Now let's make her eyeballs. After doing this, let's draw one standing line, not too long and not too short also, children, and one sleeping line at the back, which is going to curve and come down like this. Okay? Now, see, this standing line looks too straight, and cat's legs are not that straight because she has to jump and she's very active. So what we are going to do is we are going to make it slightly diagonal. And now it's time to complete her legs. Double this, again another diagonal line, and double this leg also, which is again slightly diagonal. Now let's join this and make her tummy. Children, to make her paws, what you're going to do, I'll tell you the easy way, which is you are going to make a curve and make her feet nice, fluffy, cushioned like a shoe. So make a C and join. After that, to show the paws, let's draw two more C's. So 1 and 2. Done. Now, for the back legs, she has 4 legs, right? One standing line behind the first leg and join. Similarly, this leg, you may draw the leg from here or maybe at the back. I'm going to draw it from here. So one standing line, and in this leg, since it's in front, the paw is going to show. There it is hiding behind. So the paw is showing from here, C, and then 2 more C's. You can add nails if you want to. Now, right now, she's not looking like a cat because where is her tail? Her tail is missing. So draw her tail. You have to write an S like this and join it to her body. Fine. And now, just very neatly and nicely, double the S. Once done, you may remove this line. So our cat is ready. If you want to make a bell around her neck, you may do that. Or you can make a cat without a bell. You can add a bow to her. And let's add some pattern on her body. Because I want my cat to look a little different. So I'm not keeping it plain. You may keep it plain if you wish to. Now, let's make some milk for her. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to draw the kitten too. Don't worry. You may make fish also. Cat loves to eat fish too. Did you see? I'm making ovals. And that completes the milk bowl. Now, where is her little kitten? So to draw her kitten, what do you have to do, children? The kitten is going to be smaller than the cat. So we will start here. The face is again a circle shape, but it is smaller. 2 triangles on top for the ears. 2 small circles for the eyes and 2 more semicircles for the eyeballs. Once again, let's repeat inverted triangle. 2 U's. So that's baby kitten. And now I'm teaching you something easier and different for the kitten is let's make an oval shape, or you may say a drop shape, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 2 front legs of the kitten that are showing. Make a U, 2 lines for the paws, back legs are hiding behind, and again just write a S for his tail. So I want to add a bow for my... This time we've done a inverted or a mirror image of S, children. So kitten is also ready. Now where is this cat? Oh, she is in my backyard, or she's in my garden. So I am going to add some bushes or maybe some trees. I'm adding fence. See how I'm doing? 2 standing lines and a triangular shape on top. 2 sleeping lines. To make it easier, what you can do is you may first draw the standing lines with the triangle on top. Like this. You may draw the straight one also, children. You've seen different kind of fences you must have seen in storybooks and all. And by making these 2 sleeping lines, we are just joining it all together. Let's add some grass. And the drawing of our cute cat is ready. We will outline and color it. So the outlining is done and it's time to color our cat and the kitten. So cats are of different colors, children. They may be orange, they may be a shade of a yellow ochre, or you can say yellow or gray or white. I am thinking that I am going to do my cat with a gray color today. You may pick up an orange or a yellow also. Now for her gray, let's begin coloring. We are not going to color inside the eyes, please. Very, very neatly, not inside the nose also, and not even inside the mouth. The ears also, we are going to use a pink color. No gray for the ears. So you can see very, very neatly, let's color the cat inside the lines. You're going to color without leaving any white spaces. I'm sure you must be enjoying making the cat. And she's looking so cute. Now you can take a black color to make the pattern on her body. pick up your pink, color the ears, her mouth, and a bit of yellow we are adding in the eyes. You may take green also. For her nose, let's take the black color only in this triangle. You may use your sketch pen if it's a little difficult for you to color. Coming to the kitten. Kitten is also great. Let's color her bow. I've also colored her collar. I'm not adding the yellow in the kitten's eyes. I feel it's looking good like that. Let's color the bell and the collar of our big cat, mama cat. Done. Now it's time to color the milk bowl and the background. Any color you may do. And since milk is white, so I will not be leaving it like that. I will be adding a little bit of color. Just pick up your white and add it on the top. Let's color the background now with any nice shade of green. So picked up my light green color and very neatly in one direction without leaving any white spaces, we are going to color the background. And children, please don't color inside this grass. We are going to do it with a different shade of green. And be very careful, you are not going to color inside your cute cats. So children, you can see that I have not colored inside the cat this green color. I've been very careful while doing, and you also have to be very careful. Just do it very neatly. And very carefully. Now with your dark green color, you're going to color this grass that we had made. It's time to color the fence with any color of your choice. You may take a yellow or you may take an orange, brown, whatever you like. I'm picking up orange. And again, we'll do it very neatly. You can see I've colored the sun orange, and these rays I had not outlined. I've done them with orange and yellow like this. Now children, since I'm leaving the sky and I'm not coloring it blue, so I'm just going to pick up my blue color and very neatly color it in the clouds. You may color the sky if you wish to, and our drawing of a cat and her kitten is complete. I hope you all enjoyed doing this with me. See you in the next class. Bye bye.